are pleased to show you the 2016 Jaguar F-Type. The Jaguar F-Type is a feline bred with a wild streak and a feral yearning to meet or beat any other sports car on the road. This car is a thrilling blend of style, luxury, and performance. High power and low weight means effortless speed. F-Type screams uniqueness, speed, and power. In the end, nothing else really matters. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, overhead console, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.